So guys, this is the new Samsung Galaxy A56 5G phone which I purchased. The purple color one which I bought. And this is a box and this is the backside of the box where again the branding is mentioned Galaxy A56 5G. Now let's unbox it. You will just tear this open like this from both the sides. You just want to lift it up. And here is the phone. Looks very elegant and nice. Look at the color. Looks amazing. Now we're going to just lift it out. Very premium feel. Metallic body. It's very premium and nice to touch. An amazing phone. I purchased it off the Amazon sale, the primary sale, and this is how it looks. Looks very neat. Look at the finishing, guys. Complete metal body on side. You can see the metal body on side, and a triple camera behind. The flash, and here's a SIM tray of it. The SIM tray. So, guys, let's start the phone. Here it is starting with the Samsung Galaxy screen right there. Powered by Android. Here's the welcome screen. So just going to set up my. Now it's getting my phone ready. So just going to sign in for my Google account right now. So here are the features that it has, like object eraser, best face, edit suggestions, custom filters, auto trim, and it says be more productive AI select. The AI select, read aloud. These features are available. Bixby is the AI here. Just chat naturally with Bixby. Bixby is here for you. Bixby is always ready. Just say hi Bixby or your own keywords to get started. Just choosing what I need and disabling what I don't need. Basically, it's giving you the option to choose what you want as default apps. So it will download them. Now it says you're all set up. You click on home. So this is how the home screen looks, guys, and it looks amazing. The touch is smooth. The display is crisp and looks nice. So let's check out the camera. We'll just quickly show you how it looks. A decent camera right here. So yeah, that's what you get in the Galaxy A56 5G, and an amazing phone for a budget. So to say the cost, I got it for 36K on the Amazon Prime Day sale.